Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Durgapur. It is from West Bengal. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in XOMY India. They are looking for state program manager. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates should take ownership of onboarding right partners for exclusive MS Store channel, end-to-end management of cycle of settings up of MS stores in rural market, maintain the ROA of each exclusive store partner as well as journal distributor, and achieve sellout target for mobiles and ecosystem products, maintain business hygiene by conducting regular audits, end-to-end management of journal distributor in driving sales, marketing and finance, etc. Setting up and driving the local team to reach targets and goals set for the city. The role will require extensive travel and there should not be any location constraint. And developing connect with the distributors to understand their needs and supporting them, and initiate creative local marketing strategies and executing them to generate incremental sales. These are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in the same organization, that is Xiaomi India. They are looking for a field service manager. Coming to the job responsibilities, lead the team of service engineers, spare part executive and customer care officers in the authorized service center. Ensure that high standards are set and maintained in relation to customer services. Identify quality related issues and report them immediately to management, and adherence to the process routes and service policy led by Xiaomi, and responsible for profit and loss of the ASC business in the respective location, and put in place and maintain effective quality control measures for repairs carried out at ASC so that the quality is consistently achieved in a cost efficient way. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the qualifications for the desired candidate, the candidates should be a bachelor's degree or above, and proficiency in listening, speaking, reading and writing. English can be used as a working language, and the candidates should have 5 years plus relevant working experience in mobile phone field service and familiar with India mobile phone after sales business. These are the qualifications for the desired candidates. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for delivery manager in collar bracket technologies. Coming to the eligibility criteria, the interested candidates should have 3 years plus experience in project management and delivery. And coming to the skill sets required, overseas client handling, requirement study, functionality, SRS, DFT and other document preparation knowledge, team building capability, experience of Scrum or Agile methodology tools, client demo and presentation skills are required. And coming to the desired skills and experience required, they mention here, and you check once. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for WordPress developer in Technext Technosoft Private Limited. They are looking for minimum 1 year experience candidates, and they will give you a attractive salary, minimum 20% hike on current salary. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Senior Business Development Executive in ICMI Lead Consultancy Private Limited. Coming to the requirements for this job role, those candidates should be comfortable working with team leaders to identify and manage risks, and candidates should have the capability to maintain excellent relationships with clients and address their needs effectively. And the candidates should research and identify new market opportunities and foster a collaborate environment within the organization, and excellent English communication skills are required. These are the requirements for these job roles. Interested candidates can apply for these job roles by the link provided in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.